tree. 2 times 1 is 2, you see. 4 little ducks swimming all day. 2 times 2 is 4, hooray! 6 happy fish swimming in the sea. 2 times 3 is 6, that's easy! 8 little rabbits jump and play. 2 times 4 is 8 today. Let's learn 2 times table today. It helps us count and easy to learn. Let's learn 2 times table today. It helps us count and easy to learn. 10 bright stars shining at night. 2 times 5 is 10, so bright. 12 little bees buzzing around. 2 times 6 is 12, what a sound! 14 colorful kites flying high. 2 times 7 is 14 in the sky.